Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to learn about superlative adjectives. These are words we use to describe the extremes in a group, like the biggest, the tallest, or the most interesting. By the end of the day, you will be able to use superlatives to talk about people, places, and things correctly in sentences and paragraphs. Let's start with a quick activity. Think of something that is the biggest, the most exciting, or the most interesting in your life. I'll go first. The biggest city I've been to is Paris. It has so many beautiful places and interesting people everywhere. Now it's your turn. Think of a place or a book or a movie and share it with us. Don't forget to explain why you chose it. Think for a moment. Okay, what is your answer? Oh, very good. Yes, New York City is one of the biggest cities. Why do you think it's the biggest? Good answer. Yes, it has a large population. Superlative adjectives help us describe something that is the most or the least in a group. For example, we can say, she is the tallest student in class. Or, this is the most beautiful park I have ever visited. On your Google Doc handout, there is an image of 3 cars. One is small, one is medium, and one is very big. Which car is the biggest? Exactly! Now let's try a sentence with most. Look at these 3 next pictures of mountains. Which one is the most beautiful? Perfect! Remember to use the before your superlative adjective. Now let's try using your own ideas in pairs in small groups of 3. Choose a partner or partners. Good! Each group will create 3 sentences using superlative adjectives like the ones we've used about the tallest, the smallest, the most beautiful. You can talk about people, places, and objects. Here are some examples to help you. The Eiffel Tower is the tallest structure I've ever seen. My mom makes the most delicious cookies. This is the busiest street in New York City. Several examples are on your Google Doc handout, like these. Now work together to create your own 3 sentences. Each group will share their sentences with the class. While you're working, I'm here if you have any questions. Okay, let's hear your sentences. Group 1, can you share one of your superlative sentences? Almost perfect. Don't forget to add the before most. Try it again. Great job! You're really starting to use superlatives correctly. Now I want you to work on your own. Write 4 sentences using superlatives. You can write about your school, your city or neighborhood, your hobbies, your family, or friends. These prompts are on your Google Doc handout for reference. When you're done, find a partner to check your sentences. Make sure that you are using superlatives correctly and give feedback to each other. If you're not sure, ask for help. I like helping my students. Now let's share some of those sentences you wrote. Who would like to read one of their sentences out loud?